If you want to activate eSIM on POCO X8 Pro Max, first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, you want to proceed to mobile networks. And then in here, we should be able to find turn on eSIM option. If you don't have that option, you might need to switch your region to the one that supports eSIM. We're gonna turn it on. There we go. Wait a couple of seconds. And then you will be redirected to manage SIM menu, and in here you want to press add eSIM. Now you can scan the QR code of your eSIM in order to start adding it. You can also use a gallery if you have the QR code saved. You can also toggle flashlight if needed. You can press add manually instead in order to use the activation code. And then once you scan the QR code, it's going to be added in here into this manage SIM menu. So there we go, this is how it looks like. You might need to tap onto the eSIM and make sure that it is enabled in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.